Got a 2007 GMC Sierra Classic extended cab. Handle's broken. This is actually the second time this handle has broken. It happened when it was really cold out the other night. It was like less than 10 degrees. So it was pretty brittle and just snapped it when I pulled it. So I thought, this time around, let's get a metal one, and I could not find one. So we have, just a exact replacement. Got it from Rock Auto. It is part number, where is it? There it is. GM 1520115A. How much was it? Doesn't say on here. It was cheap though. It was like $8 or something. There's two star bits here. Torx. One at the top, one down at the bottom. Let's see. Let's try size. This is a T30. Let's see if that's it. Yep. So it's a T30. Just gonna take these screws out. Be right back. All right, screws are out. Inside is really nothing complicated. You can see this is where it pulls the trigger. Here's what the back of it looks like. So there's nothing to fiddle with. This is an exact replacement. All we got to do is slide that in and put the screws back on, and we are in business.